Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and I'll be showing you how to post your first tweet. So here's how you guys can post your very first tweet on X. First, open the app X and make sure you are signed in. On the home screen, tap the plus button at the bottom right. Then a new post window will open. Type whatever you'd like to share. It could be text, emojis, hashtags, or even a link. And then if you want to, you can also add photos, videos, or GIFs by tapping the media icon. Just like over here, you can do so. You can add gifts, dance, deal with it, and whichever gifts you find fun. Once your post looks good, tap on the post button in the top right corner, and that's it. You've just shared your very first tweet on X. If this tutorial helped, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more X app guides. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the